Yeah.
Dude, that is awesome. Wait a minute. Joke's in the mouth.
Okay.
You haven't even looked. Like.
What's that?
Does it have a throttle so you're like adjusting how the one wheel's going?
With my feet.
With your feet? Oh my god! That's so cool! Incredible. Did you design that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Genius.
Thank you.
He's a mountain biker, like through and through all the things. He saw your bike, he lost it. He's like, there's no way that exists. I was like, oh, with this crew it exists. So,
If I get a picture of that crazy thing there,
Yeah, man.
that is the coolest thing that I have seen so far. It just pushes that lever down.
Yeah.
That is so cool, man. What was your name?
I'm Rick. What's yours?
Rick, I'm Jesse.
Jesse.
I appreciate you, man. That is very cool.
Yeah, no.
What's up, brother?
How you doing, bro?
You got it going on, man. Good to see you, bro.
Yeah, you too.
Looks awesome, man. So cool. You designed that?
I did.
You work at NASA and you're.
No.
Look at that.
You want to ride it?
I mean, is it hard?
Well, it's rolling.
Okay. So just push a little bit right here.
Yep.
And then to stop. I probably should have one. What? Look at this! Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Wow. Look at you, man. I know I met you last year. I'm John.
Oh, I'm Rick.
Rick, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
We're here from Charleston, South Carolina.
Awesome.
How are you?
Good, good.
It's a new build, huh?
That's the new build.
Wow, this is amazing. How are you? This is great. I love it. I love it.
I know it progresses every time I see it. Holy cow, that's way different than last time I saw it.
different than last year. At least Oak City, anyway.
How you doing, Bart?
Good.
Thanks.
I like how you're still the balance.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how I figured. If I wasn't going to, modify the board in any way, I just needed to harness how it normally works.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
That thing is so cool.
Thanks.
I think this guy likes your bike.
I'm trying to figure out how you solve the tilt problem.
The tilt problem.
One stop.
Ah, okay, the pedals.
Yeah.
It's smart.
Yeah.
This guy's got it smart. Did you see the tri-batteries one on the bike?
No. Hey, how's it going?
so he saw your bike and was like, holy crap, look at this monster.
Oh, those are one-wheel hubs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
How sweet is that, man? Oh yeah, one wheel hubs.
Both
No mechanical brakes. It's all regenerative.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's really cool looking.
Yeah, I got a little shock there going.
Yeah, so it's activated right now, and then he just squeezes a handlebar and it deactivates.
Oh wow.
How sick is that, dude?
That's awesome.
It's pretty intricate.
Oh, that's sick. It's like the Cody Card, whatever, the drift strike, but in reverse.
Yeah.
That's sick.
How long have you been working on it?
I welded my first generation in January.
Okay.
And so this is, I think, the 5th or 6th generation.
Are you an engineer or anything like that, or is it just?
No, I just tinker engineering.
Like it seems like it works really, really well.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
been watching you ride around all morning.
So you got the pedals as
Yeah,
the
as
tilt
soon
mechanism?
as soon as the pedals, it starts to engage,
Oh, yeah, nice.
and that goes back.
Dude.
Oh, that is sick.
What a great idea.
That's what we were wondering about. The whole everybody is, I'm sure.
You got the is that the lever that activates the
and
foot
that,
pad?
yeah, that disengages it.
Hell yeah, that is fucking sick, dude.
You killed it.
That's really cool.
Thanks.
Well done, sir. Well done.
Yeah, right on. I'm Rick, by the way.
I'm Steve.
Steve, nice to meet you.
So what's the top speed you've been able to get when you're on a bike on that thing?
30.8.
30.8. Nice. Good for you.
Yeah. The cool thing is that you actually can nose drag as long as you want.
That's fair, because you've got another tire on the thing. You got like jumbo fangs on that bitch. So dope. So do you just push the pedal forward to get it to activate?
Right.
Because I missed when you took off. I just saw you on it.
Yeah.
You just hold the pedal forward, yeah?
Yeah.
It's rigged to the gear here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So that goes on the edge. It tilts so you can.
Yep.
And that's so fucking good. That makes so much.
This is, you always have cool things. Did you also do the trike bit, or?
You know, I had the go-kart.
That's what it was.
Yeah, the go-kart, but you know, you can't ride on trails with that, you know? So this is my solution.
That is sick. I mean, yeah. That's awesome, bro.
You want to build one?
Of course, we're looking at this. This is amazing. How did you come up with the like? What started the idea? Where'd you get your engineering degree? Look at the suspenders. Let's just not lie to each other. Yeah, of course.
My first generation was a go-kart
Okay.
with a one wheel in the back. I said, you know, this is great. You can ride it on roads. You know, you can you know, get up to 30 on it. You know, and stuff like that. But you can't ride it on trails. You can't ride it with my friends. And so I said, all right, you know, I got a mountain bike. I think I can make a harness for it and use my one wheel.
So how fast will this get up to?
I've had it up to 30.8.
Oh my God! Is this a GT?
The
Because if
GT,
it
yeah.
drops, you're saved.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a GT.
Yeah, let her eat. Why not let her eat?
Man, that is cool.
So yeah, the pedals, you know.
Oh, that's how you. Oh,
so
did
that's
it take you a minute to figure that part out to figure out how you wanted to activate it? Oh, look, it's on a bungee with a pressure.
Yeah.
It all ties and you just hit that cable, it released it?
Yeah.
Did it take a few iterations to figure that out?
No, well, okay, yeah.
No, look at the suspenders. Of course it did. He's like, I had the idea, and just boom. What do you do for a living, or what did you do?
Well, I was at Air Force for 8 years, so so I learned a lot of sheet metal. I fixed jets, you know, but I didn't know how to weld, and I was like, you know, if I think I can make a harness and get this hooked up to a bike somehow, and but I needed to learn how to weld, and so
you didn't know how to weld
and
yet.
so I went to YouTube and I found a guy that I liked and I started watching his videos, and I said, this is how you do it.
No way. That is so crazy. All right, we got wild contraption of the day. Goes to
RickMelges.
Rick. Tell me about this real quick, Rick.
All right, so back in 2019, I broke my leg on a one wheel plus.
Oh.
And so. And so I said, I'm sorry.
You're good.
So I just had to find a safer way to ride it. So
Yeah, this is so cool,
This
man.
is my.
That's amazing. Even if I ask you and you explain it to me, I still won't know.
Okay, here.
I still won't get it.
So I basically have the thing hooked up, and it's ready to.
Wow. That's amazing.
And then the handlebars disengage. I mean,
How did that?
the
Can you show me
brake.
that again? How did that work?
Yeah. So.
Okay.
That's forward, back.
Yep.
And then squeezing the brake lifts this pad up like you're taking a foot up.
Just with regular brake line.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Were you an engineer before this?
No, I was just tinkering.
You sure were.
Yeah.
You sure were. That's amazing.
So.
Where do you come from?
Durham, North Carolina.
Durham.
I'm with the Oak City gang.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Dang.
It's good to see you out here.
Yeah, it's good to be out here. There's all kinds of fun stuff going on here.
Have you've been to all the other float lives? Yeah.
I think I've missed one or two, but I've been to a few.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. This is a good spot to have it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
This is awesome, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, I bet you're a bit of a celebrity in these parts.
No.
With this rig.
Everybody knows who I am, that's for sure.
Everybody knows who you are. I like the suspenders too.
It's part of the tinkering vibe.
Yes. What you've built here is incredible.